Layer 2 blockchain, scaling and beyond. Blockchain technology has been hailed as a revolutionary innovation, but it has also faced some significant challenges, such as low transaction throughput, high fees, and slow confirmation times. These limitations have become more apparent with the widespread adoption of blockchain-based applications, especially with the explosion of decentralized finance, DeFi. These issues stem from the fact that the consensus protocols used by most blockchain networks require every node in the network to validate each transaction, which creates a bottleneck in the system. The problem is further compounded by the exponential growth of the blockchain network, which causes the number of nodes to increase significantly, making it difficult for the network to scale to meet the growing demands of users. Layer 2 solutions, also known as off-chain solutions, have emerged as a way to address these scaling issues while preserving the security and trustlessness of the blockchain. In this chapter, we will explore what Layer 2 blockchain is, its different types, and how they work. What is Layer 2 blockchain? Layer 2 blockchain is a term used to describe scaling solutions that operate on top of an existing blockchain network, such as Ethereum or Bitcoin. These solutions aim to improve the throughput and scalability of the network by reducing the number of transactions that need to be processed on the main chain. They do this by moving most transactions off-chain, and only periodically updating the main chain with a summary of the transactions that have taken place. In essence, Layer 2 solutions move the majority of the transaction processing off-chain, which enables the network to handle a significantly higher volume of transactions than would be possible on-chain. The result is a faster and more efficient system that can handle more users and applications while minimizing the cost of using the network. Types of Layer 2 solutions. There are different types of Layer 2 solutions, including payment channels, state channels, sidechains, rollups, and plasma. Each type of Layer 2 solution has its own advantages and disadvantages, and different use cases. Payment channels. Payment channels are one of the oldest and most well-known Layer 2 solutions, and they are used to enable fast and cheap off-chain transactions. Payment channels work by allowing two parties to exchange a series of signed transactions without needing to broadcast each transaction to the network. This enables them to transact with each other off-chain, reducing the amount of time and fees required to complete a transaction. State channels. State channels are similar to payment channels, but they can be used for more complex interactions than simple payments. In a state channel, two parties can interact with each other off-chain by exchanging signed messages that represent the state of their interaction. This enables them to perform more complex transactions, such as playing a game or executing a smart contract, without having to broadcast every transaction to the network. Sidechains. Sidechains are separate blockchain networks that are linked to the main chain, allowing users to move assets between them. Sidechains can be used to enable faster and more efficient transactions for specific use cases, such as asset trading, gaming, or privacy. Rollups. Rollups are Layer 2 solutions that bundle a large number of transactions into a single transaction that is then submitted to the main chain. There are two types of rollups: optimistic rollups and ZK rollups. Optimistic rollups use a fraud-proof mechanism to ensure the validity of the transactions, while ZK rollups use zero-knowledge proofs to prove the validity of the transactions without revealing any information about them. Plasma. Plasma is a Layer 2 solution that is being developed to enable fast and secure off-chain transactions for Ethereum. Plasma uses a hierarchical structure of sidechains to enable fast and cheap transactions while still leveraging the security of the main chain. Benefits of Layer 2 solution. Layer 2 solutions offer several benefits, including scalability. Layer 2 solutions can significantly increase the throughput of blockchain networks, allowing them to handle more users and applications without compromising the security or decentralization of the network. Lower transaction fees. Layer 2 solutions can reduce the cost of using blockchain networks by enabling faster and more efficient transactions. Faster confirmation times. Layer 2 solutions can enable near-instant transactions, which is essential for many applications, such as gaming or high-frequency trading. Improved privacy. Layer 2 solutions can enhance the privacy of transactions by keeping them off-chain, reducing the amount of information that is publicly available on the main chain. Customizability. Layer 2 solutions can be customized to meet the needs of different applications and use cases, enabling developers to create tailored solutions that can address specific issues and challenges. Challenges and risks. While Layer 2 solutions offer many benefits, they also present several challenges and risks that need to be addressed, including security risks. Layer 2 solutions introduce new attack vectors that can be exploited by bad actors, such as the risk of channel closure attacks or double spending attacks. Interoperability issues. Different Layer 2 solutions may not be compatible with each other, which can create interoperability issues and make it difficult for users to move assets between different Layer 2 solutions. Complexity. Layer 2 solutions can be complex to implement and use, which can create barriers to entry for new users and developers. Centralization. Some Layer 2 solutions may introduce centralization risks, as they may rely on a small group of validators or operators to process transactions. Conclusion. Layer 2 blockchain is an exciting and rapidly evolving area of blockchain technology that has the potential to address some of the significant scalability challenges facing blockchain networks. By moving most transaction processing off-chain, Layer 2 solutions can significantly improve the throughput and efficiency of blockchain networks while minimizing the cost of using them. There are different types of Layer 2 solutions, each with its own advantages and disadvantages, and developers must carefully evaluate the suitability of each solution for their particular use case. While there are challenges and risks associated with Layer 2 solutions, they offer a promising path forward for the continued growth and adoption of blockchain technology.